Hello foodies! It's Mihaela from Blondelish.com, and today I'm gonna show you how to make Keto Filet Mignon with mushrooms and mustard sauce. Perfectly cooked beef fillets with tender mushrooms, all in a creamy mustard sauce. A dish that's fancy enough for a special dinner, but also pretty easy to make any weeknight meal. To start this recipe, you have to take the beef out of the fridge and allow it to get to room temp until you prep the rest of the ingredients. Use a sharp knife to carefully dice the onion and slice the mushrooms. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add the beef fillets to the hot pan and cook undisturbed for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Set aside on a plate and season with salt and pepper to taste. Add the remaining oil and butter to the skillet. Once the butter is foamy, add onions and sauté for about 3 to 4 minutes until softened. Stir in the mushrooms and pressed garlic. Cook, stirring occasionally, for about 5 minutes or until the mushrooms are tender. Add in the broth to deglaze the pan, stirring to remove all brown bits stuck at the bottom. Simmer the broth until absorbed for about 5 to 6 minutes. Stir in the heavy cream and mustard. Return the steak to the pan and heat it up for a couple of minutes, spooning over the creamy sauce. Remove from heat and sprinkle with freshly chopped parsley. I think I've just discovered my favorite beef dish. This filet mignon is super tender and works great with the silky mustard sauce loaded with mushrooms. Foodies, this is $1 million meal, I'm telling you. That was it for today. Thank you for watching. To get the full recipe plus super useful tips and tricks, just click the link below or go search it on Blondelish.com. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of my amazing community of foodies. Last but not least, let me know how you like this recipe in the comments below. See you next time!